Hello there, and welcome to my demo of INTEMASS marking the IELTS examination script. The IELTS, as you know, stands for International English Language Test, and it is a prerequisite for students whose first language is not English, and it's a prerequisite for going into the United States for graduate studies. For basically, if you want to attend any institution, universities in the UK, Canada, Canada, America, Canada, Singapore, where I come from, and maybe even Australia. I'm not too sure about that one. Okay, but anyway, no, it's a prerequisite. So what you're looking at here is on the left hand side are the components for which IELTS will mark. There are the four components that are being assessed by IELTS would be listening, reading, speaking, and writing. For today's demonstration, I shall only be doing the writing, although all the other three components work pretty well. But I will be only doing the writing because this is the most tricky of all the four components to be marked by the system, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so without further ado, let's look at what the writing test of IELTS looks like. Okay, so in the writing component of IELTS, you will be presented with a question, and basically you have to answer this question here within a specific word count. For this one, it is 250 words, I believe. So the student will deliberate on the question, and then right below here is the window answer, and you can see that I've already pasted a sample student's answer onto the answer window, right? And then when he's done with typing his answer out, he goes down here and he submits his script for marking. Okay, so let me just do it now. So his script now is being marked. Then there will be a feedback at the end. Okay, so here you're looking at the feedback report on the students writing, and then you can see that INTEMASS actually breaks down the individual components that's required by the writing, right? Quite pretty powerful. 1, 2, 3, 4 different what we call descriptors that are being marked to give you the raw score of 4 upon 9. Okay, so with this written report, now the master teacher we are able to produce very powerful tools and powerful programs to help the student remediate in specific areas of the writing exercise for which the student is weak. So possibly in coherence and cohesion, the student is pretty weak, and maybe in grammatical range and accuracy. So we would do and create programs to help the student remediate. Okay, so that would save a lot of time, and the student would not have to study or read or go back into prepping up specific skill sets for which he has already scored pretty high marks, especially this ones and this ones. Okay, so IELTS does this, is really powerful as an assessment and feedback tool, and through this feature of IELTS, I beg your pardon, of INTEMASS, we can create many other spin-offs to help the student to score higher marks in the IELTS. Thank you very much for your time.